Here's a plain script. 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes to start rewiring your brain to think in English instead of translating everything from your native language. Sounds too simple, right? But here's the thing. Thinking in English isn't about how much time you spend. It's about what you do with that time. Let me show you exactly how to use those 10 minutes so they actually work. First, let's understand what thinking in English actually means. It doesn't mean you suddenly know every word. It means when you see a cup, your brain says cup, not your native word, followed by a translation. It's a direct connection between the world around you and English, with no detour through your first language. And that connection is built through one thing: repetition of small, simple moments, not long study sessions. So here's a 10-minute method, broken into small pieces you can do every single day. Minute 1 to 3, narrate your surroundings. Look around wherever you are right now and describe it in your head. In English, I am sitting at a table. The window is open. There's a cup next to my laptop. Don't reach for fancy words. Use what you already know. The goal isn't impressive vocabulary. It's speed and directness. Minute 4 to 6, narrate your actions. As you do something, describe it in English as you do it. I'm opening the fridge. I'm looking for something to eat. I'm closing the door. This is powerful because you're attaching English directly to real, physical experience, which is how children naturally acquire language, not through translation, but through direct association. Minute 7 to 8, ask yourself a simple question and answer out loud or in your head. What am I doing after this? Why am I tired today? What do I want to eat tonight? Answer in full sentences, even simple ones. This trains your brain to generate English on demand, not just recognize it when you read or hear it. Minute 9 to 10, replay a short moment from your day in English. Something small, a conversation, a meal, a walk. Describe it simply, in past tense if you can, but don't stress about getting the grammar perfect. The goal is momentum, not correctness. Now here's why this actually works, even in such a short time. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes daily trains a habit. 2 hours once a week doesn't. Your brain forgets almost everything between sessions. Small, daily repetition is what rewires automatic thinking. You're training retrieval, not just recognition. Reading and listening train your brain to recognize English. Narrating your own life forces you to produce it, which is the actual skill you're missing. You're removing the pressure. 10 minutes feels light. It feels doable. Because there's no pressure, you're more likely to actually do it every day. And consistency is what makes this method work at all. A few tips to make it stick. Do it at the same time each day, so it becomes automatic, like brushing your teeth. Don't worry about mistakes. There's no test, no grade. No one grading your inner monologue. And if you blank on a word, just skip it and keep going. Fluency needs flow more than it needs perfection. Over time, something shifts. The narration that felt forced starts happening on its own. You'll notice yourself thinking, "I need coffee," in English before you even realize you didn't translate it. That's the moment thinking in English stops being an exercise and starts being your default. 10 minutes a day. That's the whole method. Small, consistent, and aimed directly at the skill that actually matters. Not knowing English, but thinking in it.